Yo, what's up fish fam? Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys ay ating ipapakita kung paano tayo mag-i-stock ng ating mga pagkain ng high protein diet for our discus and to our other fishes actually. So yan guys, ating ipapakilala itong egg yolk. No, actually guys, yung BHM or the beef heart mix nagawa lang naman ni Nemo Haven ng Laguna. Alright, so ito yung aking hiniwan lang guys into smaller pieces para mas mabilis ipakain sa ating mga alaga. So tara guys, let's feed our discus. So itong ginagawa ko since frozen ito, I just put it here for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, dapat malambot na siya para hindi na siya lulutang, and it's also going to be easier for our fish to eat. Siyempre, itong ating community tank guys ay merong mga angelfish, we have tetras, we have corridoras. At the same time, nandito rin ang ating hopefully pair ng ating discus. So soon, ilalagay ko sila sa sarili ng tank guys para ako'y magre-ready, and hopefully nga they are pair para malay natin meron tayong chance mapag-breed ng discus in the future. So again, I will try to put them on a separate tank. Nang sa ngayon, kapag sila ay mag-breed, hindi sila ma-disturb ng ibang mga isda sa ating tangke. So ayan, this is how they love BHM guys, no? At ito talaga ang staple food ng aking mga discus. Meron din tayong pellet guys na pinapakain sa kanila, pero as much as possible, ito yung ating pinapakain para yun nga, yung kanilang paglaki. At the same time, yung kanilang kulay, ayan, ay talagang mag-i-enhance, no? So, ito yung ating bagong bililan today. So, if ever you wanted to buy, guys, yung BHM na Nemo Haven, I will include or put yung kanyang Facebook link sa ating comment section para ma-PM nyo siya and to check kung meron siyang distributor sa area ninyo para doon lang kayo mas malapit bumili. Alright. By the way, itong BHM ay gawa talaga ng isang fish keeper. He also have discus. So, alam natin na talagang special ang pagkakagawa dito. And there you go. So, ayan guys, yung ating 50-gallon tank, community tank ng ating mga isda. And yun again, if ever you wanted to avail BHM, ayan, PM nyo lang si Nemo Haven. And thank you very much for watching. Happy keeping!